Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, I'm going to share some altcoins that are looking good, forming kind of a bottoming structure, and they can pump well if we continue with the bull market. All are good projects, solid projects, and they have not yet pumped the way some of the altcoins have already pumped. So if you're looking for some opportunities, then I think you should also keep these altcoins in mind. I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Nothing I say is a financial advice, so please do your own research. Let us begin today's video. And if you're joining me for the first time, guys, it would be great if you can subscribe to the channel and support my channel. So the first alt that is looking good and it's breaking out right now. It's not yet completely broken out, but it's breaking out. And I think this is still a good buy as we have not seen a massive pump in this alt as many other alts, that is theta. So for me, theta is currently bullish on the daily. It's also breaking out of this downtrend. This is a daily chart we are looking at. And if you see over here, we are already getting a daily follow-up candle of this breakout. So in my opinion, this breakout is confirmed. It's looking good. And we have a huge resistance at around 4.4, which is a 200 daily EMA. But if we break this, I think we can see a good impulse move on the up. So theta, in my opinion, is a good project you should look into right now if you're looking some alts to trade. And fundamentally also it is a good project, so I think this is not a bad investment at all. So the first chart that is looking good and ripe for a pump is theta. The second chart that is looking good to me is render, again broken out of this downtrend, forming kind of a bottom and reversal pattern over here, and it's still in the accumulation zone. But I think this is one of the best times to buy before the pump. So you can see it's broke. This is a daily chart we are looking at. It is broken 21 EMA as well as 200 EMA, and it's currently forming support above it. So we already have three daily candles about 21 and 200 EMA. So again, a very good looking chart in my opinion, because once it breaks this, the resistance right now that it is facing is 89 EMA. So once it breaks this at around 3, okay, it's breaking it right now. It's already above $3. So the resistance is at around 3 to 3.1. But once it breaks, I think it will fast accelerate to 4.2, 5.4, and also 6.8 if we continue with the bull trend in the altcoin market. So render is looking good and it's not yet pumped the way it should. So I think this is something that you should have on your radar. The next chart that is looking good to me is DYDX, again forming a nice reversal pattern or a nice bottoming pattern, and it's currently facing resistance at around 6.7. But once if it breaks 6.7, I think it can quickly accelerate to around 10 to $11. It's currently at 6.3. So again, a good project overall. And I think this is a good opportunity if it breaks 6.7. So again, this should be on your radar. The next chart that is looking good and still haven't seen a pump, again, a very solid project, a good loyal community also, is KDA, that is Cadena. It is broken out of this downtrend and it's currently still accumulating, but it's kind of forming a bottom structure, very similar structure to a lot of faults. And it's at around $6.8. Its resistance currently at 7.4. So if we can break 7.4, then I think we can see a quick pump to $10 and even $14. So a good accumulation in Cadena is happening right now, and I think this is again a good opportunity. The fifth alt for today is AKT, that is Akash Network. Again, a solid project. I really like this project. I have shared this a lot of times. It's still in a downtrend and not having the kind of breakout that some of the alts are having. But I think at $1.3, AKT is not a bad buy, as its all-time high is approximately $8. Yes, it is at $8. So it's almost 7 to 8x from here. And if at all it goes for a new all-time high, but even in the short term range, I think a 2x from here is not impossible at all. You can see once we break out, this is the immediate high at around $3. So at 1.3, even for a short term trade, it's not bad at all. So again, something that should be on your radar, which has not yet pumped. And the final chart for today, sixth, is Define. That is D5IN network. You will find it on KuCoin.com. I love this project. I love in the sense I think this is a good high risk project which is having constant bullish divergence. You can see the volume is constantly increasing while the price is decreasing. So I think it's a very, very risky project because it is very small market cap. So please understand this. All the charts that I have shared, Define is among the smallest micro cap, you can say. I do not know the exact market cap right now, but I think it will be around 10 to $15 million if I'm not wrong, but I don't think it is higher than that. So again, if it's at currently at 11 cents, the first resistance is at 16 cents. So again, a good margin, but if at all it breaks 16 cents, its 200 EMA is at 40 cents. And this can pump quickly if we see some insane altcoin pumps in the coming weeks. So a very small cap. So don't go big until you understand the risk management with this project. But I think if we continue with altcoin runs, then this is an easy 3-4x in the short term. Of course, it can go higher. Its all-time high is at around $2, 2.5, and it's currently just at 11 cents. And one of the promising things is that we are constantly seeing increase in the volume. So I think this is a good project. It's a DEX on Matic network and something you should look into. Again, guys, it's not a financial advice, so please do your research. I'm not responsible for your profit or your loss. So keep that in mind. I can be wrong. So these are all 6 projects that I think are good, still in the accumulation zone, have not pumped. And if you're looking to buy some, I think these are good projects that should be on your radar. I hope this video was in some way helpful to you. So please do subscribe to the channel and support this video so that I can make more such videos for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.